What is up YouTube, it's your channel YTV and I'm back with another video. Today we have a very interesting topic about legendary New York rapper Curtis 50 Cent Jackson and Young Buck. Today 50 went to his social media page and shared some interesting posts where he's straight clowning Young Buck.
New York rapper 50 Cent is getting his cyberbullying on in a major way. The hip-hop veteran has returned to Instagram to blast away at strange unit member Young Buck. After Buck found himself caught up in a transgender rumor, 50 Cent went to Instagram last night to claim his protege is coming out of the closet. So you can check out the post of 50 Cent. Caption reads, "Why he didn't just say he was gay? There is nothing wrong with it, Buck, but you can be putting your hands on no woman because she keep catching you." Tasha K, queen of exclusive celebrity news, last week had a very interesting transfer about Nashville rapper, where she spoke on him and explained this whole situation. She even claimed that Buck was living with his trans girlfriend. And before I move to our question of the day, let's check this out, this video, come on.
Buck has hit rock bottom. Buck is living with his trans girlfriend, who is his manager. Charlie P's used to be brother, so it's a trans. She's trans now, okay? So
I think everyone is gonna live with their life because at some point, sooner or later, people will find out the truth. But I can't draw premature conclusions. Buck is still one of my favorite rapper and we have not heard the answers to all this from him. So the most interesting thing is what Young Buck himself will say about this situation. Anyways, 50 Cent is legend, Buck is legend, and I have big respect for both. And before I finish the video, I want to ask you guys question of the day. Let me know what you all think about this whole situation. Write your thoughts in the comments down below. Stay tuned, subscribe YTV, get the notification bells, and don't forget to visit website hiphopty.com. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.